Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for New Zealand citizenship. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Before I proceed more, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, my intention is to show you how to navigate through the service. Alright guys. So how to apply? I have opened official New Zealand citizenship site or New Zealand government site. So they have provided the steps. So first is like understand the type of citizenship: by birth, descent or grant. Check you meet the requirements, so that we covered in a different video. Get your documents ready, so that also we have seen. But if you want to go in detail what to get ready, and this can be applied online or by in person or by post. So if you are applying identity, you need an identity referee. This is someone who can confirm you are who you say you are. So reference basically. And if they are not able to contact your referee, then it could delay. What they need to include: your full birth certificate, birth record, your current passport or travel document, a photo taken less than 6 months ago. So basically with the help of your passport, they are gonna check in the system if you meet residency requirement or not. If you are applying, you can verify or identify by completing an identity check. So, and they also need a digital copy of your documents. All right. And additional documents, if English is not your first language, then we have already gone through this. If your documents are not in English, then certified translation. If you do not have a passport, okay. So you can check it if anything that applies to you. If you are applying online, you can verify your identity by completing an identity check. You need a cell phone, tablet, computer with internet access and a camera to complete the check. Once you are in the application, you will be prompted to take a photo, selfie and a short video of your face. The identity check is optional. However, if you choose to complete it, you may not need to visit one of our offices to verify your identity in person. Okay, this is good. When it comes to Canada, sometimes they ask for fingerprint test, but it's good that with this you can avoid. Alright. Now let's go to the main page. So here we apply for New Zealand citizenship. Okay. Cost we know. This is for adults age 16 and more. This is for 15 and less. Apply online. So you can apply using Realme account, internet access, identity referee, digital copies of your photo and documents, a credit and debit card to pay the fee. If you apply by person, make sure you have completed application form, your digital document, 2 identical photo, payment card to pay the fee. Okay, and then if you go in this channel, apply by person or post, then you have to download and fill up, right? And if you are a citizen by descent, then you need to register as a citizen by descent. Alright, so let's see what happens when you apply online. I click on apply. You need the following details: referee documents to upload, passport photo, consent, credit or debit card, privacy. And here you can click start new application. Realme login. If you already have, you can use. If you don't have, you can create it now. I have, so I'm going to use it. So the first step is you are going to include first name and middle name. They are given the sample also. Do not include any character like comma and all. Surname or family names, and then email. Okay. So because this is the first time you have logged in, you need to continue. Alright. Then you come to the dashboard, and here you can click on apply. So here you need to add applicant. Okay, who is applying for citizenship? Yourself. Okay, and whatever information you have given before, and date of birth, and click on this. And based on answers, you see more questions popped up. Understand, there may not be refund if applicant does not meet the requirements. So that means they will not refund the processing fee. That's common every. So here we are. Okay, it is like 8 sections you have to complete, and then this is the fee you're gonna pay, and at the end, and if you want to add more people, you can add it over here. So let's see what are the things they are asking. So if you go to personal detail, name, you know, to answer as per your situation. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna put some information. Now you have more questions. If you select not as a, now because I selected English as not the first language, that's why it's asking for more document that we have seen before. Alright, I'm gonna put some more info. So we completed this section. Now we need to complete others. Okay, so go to relationships. What are the things they ask? Parent details, identity referee, referee details, contact details, address. Okay, we can go back to hub. Travel, passport, travel plan, any plan in next 12 months, whatever is applicable. Okay, citizenship, if you have more you can provide that. And yes, it could be cascading, they may ask you more questions as well. History, yeah, this is very important because this is about criminality and other things, character requirements. Characters, has the applicant ever been investigated, reviewed, or had any legal action taken against them in another country? Or money to any government agency? New Zealand. Criminal history, convicted, guilty, committed offense, one activity. You need to answer as per your case. So upload documents, and so let's see what are the documents they are asking. So birth record, passport, travel document, proof of marriage if applicable, proof of name change if applicable, proof of ability to, unless English is already their first language. Okay, so any other document you can go ahead and click yes and do. Alright, identity, let's say what they do, because as far as we remember, completing an identity check was not mandatory, right, when we were going through it. So let's see, upload a passport photo, complete an identity check. So I'm not gonna do that, but you can go it from here. Ceremony and applicant declaration. So I'm definitely not going to go to declaration, and I'm not gonna pay, sorry guys. But ceremony, see what is there. Probably, let's see what are the questions they're gonna ask here. Which statement everyone would like to set a ceremony? A religious statement with the words "So help me God." This is called oath or affirmation. Have other family members, and do they want to have the ceremony together as per your special assistance? If I select yes, it's gonna ask them. If I select yes, okay. So based on your choices, that's why. So I hope you like the entire thing, and you know what happens after this. We discuss the steps and all. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.